How to animate photos in Instagram edits. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can animate photos in Instagram edits, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to animate photos in Instagram edits, you want to make sure to go ahead and then launch the Instagram edits application. Tap the plus icon from the bottom right and choose the media that you might want to, let's say, edit or animate, right? So once you've done that and once you have the image right here, tap on that image. Now you can first of all choose to cut out the image by tapping on cutout and tapping on auto to remove it from its background, right? So once you have the image cut out over there, you can select that image and tap on the save button that you can see, or the effects button. So when you tap on effects, you can apply various effects to this, which also includes the animations. So you can see all of the different type of animations like this, and just hit the arrow button. Now when you go ahead and begin playing that image, you can see it will be animated. This way you can animate photos in Instagram edits. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.